Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Chrysler Pacificas, and in today's video, the friendly steps on how to set or adjust your clock. Let's take a look. DIYers, we're outside, and in front of us is our 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. Let's hop inside and continue the project. Inside the vehicle now, and the instrument cluster is illuminated, as you see. However, it's only illuminated because we opened and closed the door. We still need to come down to our engine start stop push button. We are going to push that once. That's going to turn on the electrical system, including our center screen. And we do actually have to push that engine start stop push button a second time to turn on the ignition, because if we don't, the screen will guide us to do that. And pushing it a second time again turns on the ignition. You see the needles on the RPM as well as gauge to the right, and from here we are coming over to our center screen, and you see 7:35 at the very top center. And that's our clock and time. All you have to do is actually push on it. And do you want to adjust your clock settings? Yes. And from here, you've got a couple options. You can sync time with GPS, which is an awesome option. However, I will select that off because in order to be able to adjust your time in hours and in minutes, you actually have to deselect the sync with GPS. See that? You'll notice it is highlighted now, and it is no longer highlighted. However, in this configuration, you still have the option to time format from 12 hours to 24 or military time from here, as you see, 1936. Back to 12 hours, you can adjust it if you want, or if this is deselected, when you get to this screen, you can select it and it will automatically sync with your GPS from here, X out. And you may need to start your vehicle in order for your GPS to sync with your clock and time.